Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. Just kidding, today we're venturing out into the garden or maybe just onto your balcony because today we're talking about blueberries. Those beautiful plump little berries packed with flavor and antioxidants. Whether you have a big garden or just a small balcony, we'll show you how to grow these delicious berries at home. So let's get started. Before we jump into planting, let's talk about the stars of the show, the blueberry plants themselves. Some thrive in warmer climates, while others prefer cooler temperatures. Some grow into tall bushes, perfect for a spacious garden, while others stay compact and happy in containers, ideal for patios or balconies. Northern high-bush blueberries are perfect for colder regions, while southern high-bush varieties are more heat-tolerant. If you live in a really warm area, rabbit-eye blueberries might be your best bet. High-bush blueberries can grow up to 6 feet tall. Low-bush blueberries stay nice and compact, making them perfect for smaller gardens or containers. Take your time, do a little research, and choose the blueberry varieties that best suit your taste buds and your growing conditions. Now that you've chosen your blueberry varieties, let's find them the perfect home in your garden or on your patio. Blueberries love acidic soil, with a pH between 4.5 and 5.5. Adding some peat moss or elemental sulfur can help lower the pH and create that ideal acidic environment that blueberries love. When you're ready to plant, dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball of your blueberry plant. Gently loosen the roots before placing the plant in the hole. Space your plants about 2 to 3 feet apart for dwarf varieties and 5 to 6 feet apart for larger high-bush types. Once your plants are nestled in their new homes, give them a good watering and surround the base with a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch. Blueberries thrive on consistency, especially when it comes to watering. Aim to keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. A good deep watering once or twice a week is usually sufficient, but be sure to check the soil moisture regularly, especially during hot, dry spells. Mulching is another essential aspect of blueberry care. Mulch helps to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature, all of which contribute to happy, healthy blueberry plants. Feed your plants with an acid-loving fertilizer a few times a year. Once in early spring, just as new growth begins to emerge, and again in late spring or early summer. Avoid using fertilizers high in nitrogen, as this can promote leafy growth at the expense of fruit production. Pruning might seem intimidating at first, but trust me, it's like giving your blueberry plants a little spa treatment. Pruning helps to maintain their shape, encourage air circulation, and promote a bountiful harvest. The best time to prune blueberries is in late winter or early spring, while the plants are still dormant. When pruning, focus on removing any dead, diseased, or damaged branches first. For younger plants, you'll primarily be pruning for shape and removing any suckers that sprout from the base of the plant. Birds, in particular, can't resist those juicy blueberries, so consider using netting to protect your ripening fruit. Inspect your plants regularly for any signs of trouble, such as discolored leaves or unusual spots, and address any issues promptly. The moment we've all been waiting for, the blueberry harvest. You'll know your blueberries are ready for picking when they transform from a bright green to a deep, rich blue. Give the berries a gentle tug, and if they come off easily, they're ready to be enjoyed. Once you've harvested your bounty of blueberries, give them a gentle rinse and let them dry completely before storing them. Fresh blueberries are absolutely delightful, and there are endless ways to enjoy them, in muffins, pies, jams, or simply savored on their own. For longer storage, spread the blueberries in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and pop them in the freezer for a couple of hours. Frozen blueberries are perfect for smoothies, sauces, or baking throughout the year. Well, there you have it. Everything you need to know to grow your own delicious homegrown blueberries. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Tell me, what are your favorite ways to enjoy fresh blueberries? Happy gardening and enjoy your homegrown blueberries.